All right, how's it going, everyone? So today we're back with another product review. This one won't be an unboxing, unfortunately, because I've already opened the box. I've been using this product for a couple weeks now, and it is the Atatat Wi-Fi photo frame. And this thing's pretty cool. So yeah, basically what came in the box is the picture frame, the power adapter, and nice user manual, which actually you may not need. Most everything you can kind of figure out. The other thing that came in the box is this little kickstand, which I'm going to use for this video. I do apologize for the angle. I don't have a tripod currently. So, believe it or not, I just have it propped on a salt container and leaning on a 2-liter of Mountain Dew. So, without further ado, this is the picture frame. I'm going to go ahead and put the kickstand in. Like so. So, let's take a little look around the product before we turn it on. So on the back you have you have 4 possible ways to mount it. You can mount it on the wall in either landscape or portrait. And you can do the same with this kickstand, either landscape or portrait. And on the side, you also have a USB-A, a USB mini, and a standard SD card slot. I'm not actually sure what the USB mini is for, but obviously the USB-A would be for, say, a flash drive. If you have photos on a flash drive, you can put them in there. Same with the SD card. You know, you take pictures on your camera, saves it to the SD card, and you can just pop that straight in here. But this thing has another feature, and there's 2 options. You can download the Atatat app, which is available on iOS and Android. I have iOS. So you can, when you get the app, the first thing you'll do, when you first power this on, now I can't show you that because, you know, I've already done it, and I didn't want to reset it because we already have our family photos on here and it works flawlessly. So you get it plugged in, it'll boot up, and you have a setup screen, sort of like a tablet. You'll click next, you'll select your region and language and all that. You'll connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then it'll give you a QR code. And in the QR code, or in the app, you'll scan the QR code, and it'll connect the device through the app. And then you can start uploading photos. It's super easy. In fact, I'll show you that now. It's really simple. So I'll return, and the next scene you'll see how to upload a photo to the picture. Actually, before I do that, let's boot it up. It doesn't take very long. Just plug it in, and it's going to boot up. And on this one, I still have the plastic film on there, just because I didn't want to peel it off yet. And this is touchscreen, by the way, So it's a 10.1-inch screen, and it's touchscreen. So there you get a little boot up thing. And it does video too, 15 seconds only. And it is powered by Android, as you can tell. See, Android. And now it's going to start. And see? It's that simple. And you can just swipe through the photos like that. Like I said, we got family photos on there. I won't show too many of them. But yeah, so we'll go to the next scene and show you how to, upload pictures to it. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the app. Once it refreshes, click on your picture frame. Okay, so we're going to take a picture and use that to upload it to the frame. Then we're going to go back to the app, click on the picture frame, and you're going to click the little plus button at the bottom, and you can choose take photo or choose from your album, which will be your camera roll. And so actually we'll just use the take picture feature. Then you're going to click use photo if that's what you're doing, and then you just click upload. You can add a description if you want, but for this demonstration we're just uploading it. And that's it. It's pretty much instant. And as you can see, that photo is already on the frame. It gives a little chime as it updates, and the photo is there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's that. So this is a great gift idea for family, friends, whoever. I wouldn't say that it's just good for like older people. It's good for anybody. If you don't want to have your house cluttered with multiple picture frames, you can grab a couple of these, one or two, put them in main rooms of the house, and have all of your photos cycling through. And I'm pretty sure you can manage multiple frames in the same app. So, you can have all of the same photos in both frames, and you don't have to worry about it. A couple things to note. This thing's pretty durable. We have a big dog, and we're always throwing her toys around, so she can go get them. And we've had a couple of hit the picture frame, and no marks, nothing. That was her. Another thing to note, it takes about 7 minutes to cycle through. I guess that would depend on how many photos you have in there. This thing also has 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, so that's quite a bit of photos that you can store with 32 gigs. What else? Like I said before, you can do video too, 15 seconds max. Kind of wish you could do more. Thought it would be funny to have a full movie playing on there. It'd be pretty interesting. Speaker is pretty loud. I will say that. We do have a video on here. A couple videos. Let's see if I can swipe through to the end. end of the...
You're living in a delusion.
I have a couple of funny videos on there, just because why not? So yeah, all things aside, this thing's about $79 after tax. That'll depend on your location. Honestly, out of any of the other photo frames that we've ever had that were, electronic, this one's the best. It's super easy. You don't have to fiddle with flash drives and stuff. With our old one, we had to, anytime we wanted to add new pictures or whatever to it, we had to take the flash drive out. And then, of course, there's no pictures showing on there. And then you got to load the pictures on the flash drive, and then you've got to load them. You got to plug the flash drive back into the picture frame. And it's a hassle. With this one, you don't even have to do that. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Literally, like I said, the first time you turn it on, you just click a few things on the screen, scan a QR code with the app, and bam, you're connected. And then all you do is hit the plus sign, add your photos, however many. You can do 9. You can only do 9 photos at a time. And also, there's an option to email photos to the frame. Those aren't as fast as just pressing the plus button, but if you think about it, if you have that email saved, say you're at work, you have some pictures at work that you want to send to the frame. I don't know why you would send pictures from work to your frame, but if you do, that's you. And I'll show you how to do that too. It's pretty simple. I'll show you how to get to the email address that's associated with your picture frame, and I'll show you how to do that. It's really, really simple. All right, so to add an email to your frame, you go to System Settings. After you click the 3 dots, and then you'll go down to where it says Frame Email Address. You'll click on that, and when it's the first time, you just click on it and type whatever you want it to be. You can also check your internal storage, and there's quite a few settings that you can look at there, but that's all up to you. But it takes about 30 seconds if you email photos to your frame. I wouldn't do more than like 10 at a time. I tried 20 and none of them ever came through. So I would just do 9 or 10 at a time just to be safe. But yeah, so that's how you change the slideshow and all that stuff too. So to wrap this up, would I recommend this to anyone? Absolutely. Like I said before, it's a great frame. It has a lot of cool features that anybody could fiddle with. And, I think it's a good deal for the money. It's touchscreen, so you can have it just sitting anywhere, and you can, start sliding through, showing people pictures. It's pretty easy. you know? Why have a wall full of picture frames, you know? Yeah, that's it. I highly recommend this. You should get one. Get one for a family member. Get one for your grandmother. Anybody. And with that note, see you on the next one.